Who are you and what are you doing?
Is it possible the two youths...
Fredo, you're my older brother, and I love you.
Fear me if you dare.
Why? Why? Who are you and what are you doing?
Okay, name. Austin Danger Fowers. Sex? Yes, please.
Saint Attila raised the hand grenade up on high, saying, O Lord, bless this thy hand grenade, that with it thou mayst blow thine enemies to tiny bits in thy mercy.
Who are you and what are you doing?
Fredo, you're my older brother, and I love you. But don't ever take sides with anyone against the family again. Ever.
Now you see that evil will always triumph, because good is dumb.